Ahoy, shipmates! And what a wonderful morning it is here in the port of Southampton. A fantastic sunrise. And unfortunately, that's probably about the best of it. Was rather good from the cows. Here is on Cowscam. For the Oceania Cruises Vista, brand new ship in to the port of Southampton. And if you look closely, I don't know if you can really see it, but I shall zoom in. How about this? First time I've ever seen this before on a cruise ship. It has its name scrolling around in lights. Pretty neat. I thought I'd show you this view from Cowes because, well, A, because it's very pretty, and also secondly, as it lightens up, you don't get to see the Vista from the drone. Or you see the ship, the Vista, but not the scrolling name. A very still morning. Look at this, very calm, very low tide. You can see the exposed seaweed here in the port of Southampton. They are setting up for Southampton Boat Show. These are all the pontoons, the largest boat show in Europe. There's one of the pink innovation ships. Look at that sunrise. Lovely, lovely sunrise this morning. Really good colours. Unfortunately, by the time Oceania Vista arrived in port, the sunrise was sort of over with. You only really get sort of 10 minutes of sunrise. There you go. She's there in the distance, just the right hand side of the screen. That's one of the red jets just docking at Town Quay. So I shall fast forward the arrival of Oceania Vista, because you probably don't want to see that, but you can see how beautifully calm the water is. Still a little bit of colour in the sky. I'm sure we will be able to take a relatively decent photograph somewhere. Oceania's Vista is a premium cruise ship with luxury at the centre of their offering. They built this year, capacity for only 1,200 passengers, and a gross tonnage of 67,000. Length of 791 feet. Really is a premium offering. There's 2 pools on board, a spa, a casino, there's a grand dining room, there's the Ember Room, there's the Polo Grill. There's also the Grand Lounge, Martinis, the Vista Lounge, Horizons and the Waves Bar. There we go. See, I told you we'd be able to get a reasonably good photograph. That's not come out too badly, has it? Rather good sky there. I say, unfortunately, it was just fading away quite rapidly there. Not a particularly imposing ship on the smaller side. I think the cabins are all fairly decently sized. I couldn't find out much information about the cabins. None of your go-kart tracks or giraffes lurking around. It's a bit more of a sedate, sophisticated experience from Oceania's Vista. I think we'll take a picture from the starboard side. There we go, just a bit of colour in those clouds. Not looking too bad, is it? Well, this is the first outing with the new drone. And as you can see, I hadn't lost it, so that's a good outing in my book. I think that's what they say about planes, isn't it? If you can walk away from the landing, it's a good landing, and if you can use the plane again, it's a great landing. I'm particularly interested on their website about their innovative mixology program. They're introducing an elevated and innovative bar program on board Vista and revealing an expansive collection of immersive mixology experiences, curated cocktail menus, ultimate pairing experiences, and specialty beverage carts. Discover the latest cocktail crafting trends and techniques such as flavoured mist bubbles, an extensive selection of low and no sugar wines, and zero-proof cocktails. Plus Negronis aged in wood barrels, and experiential beverage carts like the Bubbly Bar and the ultimate Bloody Mary Bar. Oh, I'm just salivating at the thoughts of all those drinks. I'd better have a decent rum on board, or I will be complaining. Have a look on the top. We can see the pools on the top there. very calm waters today, getting some reasonably good reflections off there. Vista sets new standards for comfort and residential style luxury with all-rounder accommodations. Staterooms and suites feature beautifully appointed bathrooms and oversized rainforest showers. It really is luxury on a different level. It's also a concierge level service as well. I think we'll get another photograph in here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. And for added enjoyment, there's a magenta coloured container ship at the far end of the port. Can't get much better than that, can you? Well, I hope you've enjoyed that one, shipmates. Thanks to all my subscribers, PayPal donators, Patreons, and supporters of the channel. I shall let Oceania's Vista dock, and I shall go off and make myself a butty in the galley. Until next time, shipmates.